More and more technology companies are introducing AI products to enhance their user experience and multiply their revenue. Have you ever thought who's behind managing these AI products? And also, what does it take to become an AI product manager? I was lucky to get introduced to AI and product management careers and to actually become an AI PM. I studied computer science at university and majored in AI. I did 3 tech internships and founded the product development tech student community at my university. And all of this sort of enabled me to land a job as an AI PM. When I look back, I think that I was very technical and really liked AI and technology, but at the same time, I wanted to do something that had to do with user experience, business, and product development. And a career in AI product management has allowed me to actually work in all of these fields without sacrificing any of them. If you're passionate about AI, people, and products, and want to work with different forces within the company to build a better, more personalized experience for users, then this course is for you. In this course, you're going to learn about the ins and outs of a career in AI product management. You're going to learn what it takes to become one, where it fits in an organization, how to define problems for AI engineering teams, and how to actually look for task model fit in order to maximize product market fit. My name is Sina, and this is your guide to AI product management.